Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and for today's videos guys, this is all about a gentlewoman bag, canvas bag or tote bag. So alam naman natin na yung gentlewoman ngayon ay ano siya, parang sikat siya ngayon guys sa dito sa amin, sikat siya yung gentlewoman na bag guys, kasi meron siyang tote bag na canvas. So merong sling bag, ganyan guys. So sa amin, ang available namin, meron kaming new gentlewoman na tote bag canvas. Pero only one color lang guys, black lang kami guys. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aming gentlewoman tote bag na canvas guys, na bag. So ito guys, meron kami ditong gentlewoman na tote bag canvas guys. So ito yun guys siya. Pero ito no zipper siya guys. Ito yung available namin. So one color lang kami guys. Kasi ang talaga yung gentlewoman, meron talaga siyang parang dirty white color siya guys. Tapos merong black. So dapat dalawang color siya. Pero sa amin guys, meron kaming one color only. Black color lang siya guys. So ito, meron kaming available dito na gentlewoman tote bag canvas sa store. Ganito siya guys. So ito yung available namin. Meron kaming ganito, but only one color, black. So ang material na guys ay canvas siya guys. Tapos wala dyang zippers. Nilagyan lang namin ng plastic para makita yung forma niya ng gentlewoman bag. So ito yung gentlewoman bag guys. Usong-uso to siya dito guys. So dito meron siyang mga maliliit na bag siya, small body bag, sling bag. Pero wala kami, ito lang sa amin tote bag na canvas guys, yung gentlewoman. So saan ba nanggaling yung gentlewoman guys? So maraming nagtatanong kung saan daw galing. So babasahin ko sa inyo guys about gentlewoman bags. Kasi maganda siyang bag na guys, canvas siya, then siya, affordable, tapos matibay siya guys. So uso yan siya dito guys, yung gentlewoman bags. So maganda siya guys. Maraming nagkagusto sa gentlewoman bag guys. So yung price pala namin nito guys, yung gentlewoman, sale namin guys 100. So affordable siya guys, no. So sa iba naman meron silang sling bag. So nagtanong ako sa night market last time. Yung gentlewoman nila na na small sling bag, 250 sila bintahan nila guys. So depende sa klase or depende sa style yung gentlewoman guys. So sa amin dito guys, available namin ay tote bag canvas na gentlewoman. So only one color, black guys. So ito yung gentlewoman namin guys. So saan ba nanggaling ang gentlewoman? So according to my research, so a gentlewoman bag is an affordable fast fashion brand that is based in Bangkok, Thailand. So yung gentlewoman pala guys, naka-base or doon siya ginawa sa sa Bangkok, Thailand. So the brand aims to empower all forms of femininity, beauty and individuality, and encourage women to be confident and their designs. So kaya palang pangalan niya gentlewoman. So in-encourage pala yung mga babae doon sa Bangkok, Thailand to be confident in their own design. So yun pala yung kung bakit ano bang meaning ng gentlewoman. So yun pala yun guys. So and this is also one of the major staff fair serious shoppers. So maganda din to, and this is also a pretty active bags between Singapore and Bangkok, Thailand. So this is pretty active pala yung guys, itong gentlewoman bag guys. Kasi maganda talaga yung gentlewoman guys, lalo na yung sling bag na maliit guys. Pero sadto si wala kami, so tote bag lang siya guys. So meron kami available. Kung gusto nyo, meron kaming available na tote bag na canvas na gentlewoman. So it is pretty active bag between Singapore and Thailand. So yun pala guys. So what is a gentlewoman bag? Or what is gentlewoman means? Ano ba na ibig sabihin ng gentlewoman? Bakit ang pangalan ng bag na to ay gentlewoman? So a gentlewoman, a woman who is an attendant upon a lady or a rank, a woman of refined manners or good breeding lady. Yun pala ibig sabihin ng gentle woman, guys. So the cloth are not alien fisheries. There is made tailoring and less rough and less waft. So ang ano na dito, tailoring na less waft. So the gentle woman is the Noel magazine, a period of the same name, which focus on arts culture by that's Do Gert Zonkers and Jeff Von Benicom. So yun pala yun, guys. So sino ba yung founder ng Gentle Woman, guys? So ang co-founder ng Gentle Woman, guys, ay si Raya Pangwana Peño. Si ang co-founder pala ng Gentle Woman, guys, ay si Raya Pangwana Peño. So siya yung co-founder ng Gentle Woman sa Bangkok, Thailand. So after completing a bachelor's of degree in accounting and MBA from Sasen School of Thailand, he managed of management in Bangkok. He decided to pursue a lifelong a lifelong decor or a lifelong bag. So yun siya, guys. So yun pala yung ibig sabihin ng gentle woman. So means a woman who is an attendant upon a lady of rank, a woman of refined manners or good breeding lady. So yun ang ibig sabihin ng gentle woman bag, guys. Yun palang ibig sabihin nun. So ang cloth niya is a tailoring and less waft. So ang co-founder, guys, ulitin ko, si Raya Pangwana Peño. Siya ang co-founder ng Gentle Woman from Bangkok, Thailand. So he completes a Bachelor of Degree in Accounting and MBA from Sasen School. So doon pala siya sa Sasen School, Thailand, nag-school yung si Raya Pangwana Peño. So yun yung story or what is gentle woman bag. So yun pala yun, guys. Kasi marami nagtatanong, bakit ano ba yung gentle woman? Bakit gentle woman yung name ng bag na to? So yun palang ibig sabihin yun, guys. So isa pala siyang lady na refined manners of good breeding lady. So si gentle woman. So yun na nga, guys, ito yung available namin na design ng Gentle Woman tote bag, a Gentle Woman tote bag canvas. So ito yun, guys. So available kami sa kulay black. So sa mga nagtatanong, ang price ay 100 siya, guys. So pag wholesale, guys, may tawad pa. So pwede siya 90, guys. So this is Gentle Woman. So nice ang Gentle Woman, di ba, guys? Yan siya, guys. Pero wala siyang zipper, guys, ha. Yan. So wala siyang zipper yung Gentle Woman na to, guys. But nice quality naman, good quality and good quantity, so affordable, guys. Kayang-kaya sa bulsa niyo, guys, yung Gentle Woman bag. So maganda siya, guys. So yung gusto ko nga dun, guys, yung yung Gentle Woman na sling bag na maliit. So maganda yun, guys. So tinanong ko siya sa night market. Meron silang available doon, color dirty white, tsaka yung black. Ang price nila, guys, ay 250, sabi. Siguro may bawas pa yun, 250 to 30, ganyan. So di ko alam, depende sa tawad natin o depende sa bigay nila, guys. So yun lang, guys, yung video score for today about Gentle Woman tote bag canvas. So I hope you enjoy my videos, guys, and thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye. Bye na kayo ng Gentle Woman, guys. Bye.